Welcome to Cell City, a microscopic world where every structure has an important job. Cells are the basic units of life. The cell membrane works like a security system. It controls what enters and leaves the cell. The cytoplasm is the area inside the cell where many important chemical reactions happen. Mitochondria are the power stations of the cell. They release energy through respiration. Ribosomes are tiny factories that make proteins needed for growth and repair. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains DNA, which carries instructions for how the cell works. Just like a city, every part of a cell has an important role. Together, they keep life running. Mission complete. But what did we actually learn? The nucleus controls the activities of the cell and contains the cell's genetic material, known as DNA. Mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration, releasing energy for the cell. Ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis, producing proteins needed for growth and repair. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance where most chemical reactions take place. The cell membrane controls the movement of substances into and out of the cell. Great job! You've mastered the basics of the animal cell. Join us next time for another GCSE Biology adventure.
Smart tuition online. Log in, level up, it's your time to shine. Learn smart, dream bold, make your future glow. Smart tuition online, let your knowledge grow. Smart tuition.online. Smart tuition, future's mine. Smart tuition online, where every mind shines.